Yeah, but you're doing it, so you just do it. God, roll with the punches, would you?
I was trying to have you roll with the punches.
You were punching. All right, here we go.
Shut all the windows, honey. Close all the doors. Make sure the shelves are stable just like they was before. I feel a storm will blown down through that corridor. I can't find no shelter. I know just what to do each time that she walks through the door. Plant my feet down on the ground and pretend that I ain't around. And here's the hope, and I don't wind up like I ought to. Make sure the locks ain't swinging free and unsecured. 'Cause sometimes she comes in singing, but that ain't just what I heard. Pots and pans are bouncing in from the kitchen on the floor. I can't find no shelter. I know just what to do each time that she walks through the door. Plant my feet down on the ground and pretend that I ain't around. Here's the hope, and I don't wind up like I ought to. Love is like a flower bud waiting to begin. No, love is like that weather vane out twisting in the wind. Our love is like a hurricane, keeps on blowing to the end. I can't find no shelter. I know just what to do each time that she walks through the door. Plant my feet down on the ground and pretend that I ain't around. And here's the hope, and I don't wind up like I ought to. And I said, here's the hope, and I don't wind up like I ought to.
I think me and Dusty could do better. Give us another chance, please. Give us another chance.
Give us another chance,
Please.
Dad.
Hey, this is a good time to call Vinny.
I know, perfect time.
Benny, I'm standing on top of a goddamn haystack.